Introducing Synology Office, a productivity tool that helps your team collaborate in the safety of a private cloud. With Synology Document, your team can work together, edit text, mention team members, and exchange comments in real time for a seamless workflow. Simplify data analysis with Synology Spreadsheet, which provides tools like pivot tables to help you generate customized reports and quickly identify trends and patterns within the numbers. Looking to make a strong impact? Synology Slides makes your pitch more powerful. Group slides into sections to organize your presentation. With comprehensive file format support, you can convert files to your desired format. You can also enhance security by customizing access permissions and keep track of changes to your files, so you can easily restore a previous version if anything gets accidentally deleted. All files are securely stored in Synology Drive, giving you complete control over your data. Unleash your productivity today with Synology Office.